What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So tomorrow, November 1st, I'm gonna start something really cool that I want to share with you guys, and I encourage you guys to do it as well. It's gonna be a 30-day November challenge. It's a fitness and health challenge. Basically, you're gonna be following a meal plan, not a diet, but a meal plan. You're gonna be eating clean, obviously, and it's gonna be based on 2 workouts a day, 1 cardio session, 1 weight training. Also, you're gonna be drinking 1 gallon of water, waking up every morning before 6:30. Every time you shower, you're gonna be doing 1 minute of a cold shower. It's gonna help you out to increase your stamina and obviously your energy through the day. There's a few other things that I'm putting right here that is what I recommend you to follow for the challenge. This challenge is gonna basically help you out to make you accountable to be able to get some really good results. Once a week, I want you to be doing your measurements, your weight, taking some photos. I'm gonna be showing you also how to do that as well. It's very, very simple. You only need basically a tape and a camera to do the photos. And yeah, that's basically it. So every 3 days, I'm gonna be posting a new video showing you guys my results and what I'm achieving. My goals are basically increase lean muscle mass and get my back leaner, right? I wanna get those nice lines on my back and get rid of my love handles. And obviously increase more size on my arms, chest, and legs, especially my calves actually is what I'm lacking off the most. Okay guys, so if you guys have any questions, please write a comment below. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to get this going. It's the first time that I'm doing a challenge. And yeah, okay, let's do it, and good luck.